The demonstration of the apparent 80 watt amplifier. I'm using an ICOM 705 with the RF power set to full, which is 5 watts on 439/800. This one here is monitoring our current, this one here is monitoring our voltage. And this is the power meter. I'm going to transmit and we'll see the current go up to approximately 11 amps, but we won't see the power be a lot above approximately 41 amps. When I let go of the button, the transmitter, the amplifier, for some reason gets stuck on transmit as well. So I suspect it's faulty. I'll transmit now. So I've let go of the button. And we're drawing 8.15 amps. But I'm not actually transmitting. If I tap the button again, like that, it stops it from transmitting. I'll do that again. So we're no longer transmitting, the button is no longer pressed, and the amplifier is stuck on transmit. Drawing at 8 amps, 7 amps.